find the best ceiling fans at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best ceiling fans on the market. 1. Hampton Bayhago 52-inch brushed nickel ceiling fan. This 52-inch, flush-mount indoor ceiling fan is a great choice for large rooms, maximum size, 400 square feet, where ceiling height is limited. The reversible blades are finished with maple on one side, and walnut on the other. Choose dark or light, to match your decor and preference. The built-in, frosted opal schoolhouse light fixture requires a medium base bulb, and the fan may be set at low, medium, or high speed. 2. Hunter Builder Plus 52-inch ceiling fan. From Hunter's Premium Builder Plus line, this 52-inch ceiling fan is more than just beautiful, it's painstakingly designed and carefully crafted for superior performance and long life. The reversible blades are available in Brazilian cherry or harvest mahogany finish, so you can pick the tone best for your room, and the fan's brushed nickel body is designed to complement any decor. The powerful Whisper wind motor offers air movement with Whisper quiet performance. 3. Westinghouse Comet 2 Light 52-inch reversible 5-blade indoor ceiling fan. Upgrade your decor with this 52-inch indoor ceiling fan from Westinghouse. The 5-blade fan is finished in matte black with an integrated frosted glass light fixture, and the reversible blades set off a room with your choice of matte black or marble plywood blades. Ideal for rooms up to 360 square feet, this ceiling fan is also highly energy efficient and operates at high, medium, or low speeds. 4. Westinghouse Industrial 56-inch 3-blade ceiling fan with ball hanger installation. This durable, industrial strength, 56-inch ceiling fan from Westinghouse is specially designed to meet the airflow needs of commercial, industrial, and large residential spaces, especially in high-ceilinged great rooms, 2-story entries and lofts, workshops, and other spaces. The brushed nickel finish and black steel blades lend a crisp and modern look to your space, while the 4-speed wall control unit allows for maximum control. 5. Hunter Fan 54-inch weathered zinc outdoor ceiling fan. If you're looking for a rustic or vintage touch, this outdoor ceiling fan could be just the ticket. The weathered blade finishes perfectly complement the weathered fan finish, to create a lantern-inspired light finish complete with a trendy LED Edison bulb. It's an excellent choice for chic spaces, covered porches, indoor, outdoor living spaces, and even farmhouse-inspired interiors. The handheld remote allows you to change fan speed or dim the lights. 6. Monte Carlo Discus 244-inch ceiling fan. Monte Carlo is best known for its trend-inspired and fashion-forward fans, as evidenced by this chic, 44-inch fixture. Bright white and super sleek, this fan is designed not only for fashion but also for function. The premium, torque induction motor is perfectly balanced for wobble-free operation and works quietly, while the 12-degree blade pitch leverages power for optimal airflow and cooling. 7. Hunter Fan 54 inches contemporary ceiling fan in brushed nickel. This 54-inch ceiling fan promises contemporary styling with soft modern touches, smooth, rounded edges, a brushed nickel finish, and an integrated glass light fixture to serve as design centerpiece. The reversible composite blades offer two finishes, dark walnut or cherry wood, so you can choose the color that best fits your room's decor. The included remote control allows you to operate the fan from a distance. 8. Westinghouse Contractor's Choice 52-inch 5-blade indoor ceiling fan. Classic looks combine with high durability in Contractor's Choice line from Westinghouse. This 52-inch ceiling fan adds casual style to any room, with a white finished, or brass finished, fan body and blades. The result is a sleek look that suits your home's decor, while also offering the feature you need: 3 speeds, high/medium/low, a reversible switch, quiet function, and superior airflow, not to mention superior energy efficiency. 9. Harbor Breeze Twin Breezer 74-inch outdoor downrod ceiling fan. This award-winning, and super cool, if you'll forgive the pun, double ceiling fan offers both outstanding beauty and incredible function. Newly updated, it now offers an incredibly powerful, quiet motor and energy-efficient LED lighting, plus 6 reversible, brown wicker blades. The oil-rubbed bronze finish is on trend, and the light kit with frosted glass shades creates a bright glow, perfect for any room. 10. Hunter Watson 34 inches ceiling fan. Calling on over 100 years of fan making, the Hunter Fan Company delivers 19th century craftsmanship and 21st century design in this modern ceiling fan. The Whisper wind motor delivers powerful airflow but whisper quiet performance, and the reversible motor function allows you to change the direction of that airflow from downdraft, summer, to updraft, winter. For indoor use only, with standard, low, or angled mounting. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.